All right, so having a little issue with 5, 6 here. So let me see if I can help you out. What we're actually looking for is this. If I took the area of the pool, so that section right in here, if I took all of that area away from let me get another color here so we can talk here. If I took that away from all of this area, so this section, that would leave me the white space that you see in here. This white space right here, okay, this white space up in here, and then this section over here. All of that would be the deck around the pool, because this section inside is the pool, so we don't want the pool, but we want everything else. So what I would ask you to do is find the area of the giant rectangle. Find the area of the giant rectangle, which is going to be 90 by 25. Calculate that area, length times width. Then go back and look at your pool and calculate the area of the pool, which would be 50 times 15, and that'll give you the area of the pool. And then take away the area of the pool, and that will leave you with all this section out here, which is what you want. That's the deck. All right, see if you can try that out and see if you can get that correct answer this time. Good luck.